Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the continuation exercise 7.3. Find the following, evaluate the following, simplify the following. Whatever the type questions, let it come. Every method remains the same. Every questions are same. First question, 10% of 60. 10% of 60. Solution, 10% of 60. 10%, you know how to write this. 10% we can write 10 by 100. 10 by 100. Okay, in mathematics, OF means it is a multiplication. Okay, multiplication symbol has to come. 10 by 100 into 60. 10 by 100 into 60. What is the 10% of 60? Okay, so now you can divide this. Easily you can simplify this, children. Okay, see, easy division I am telling you. See, 1 0 1 0 you cancel it, 1 0 1 0 cancel it. So remaining what is there? You can write numerator 1 into 6. 1 into 6, 6. So 6 is the answer. 10% of 60 equal to 6. Second question, 20% of 700. 20% of 700. Actually, you are going to one shop, textile shop, all it will be there. We will give you 10% discount. We will give you 20% discount, 25% discount, because it is nowadays Pongal celebration, right? So all the textile shop, most of the textile shop, and they used to give you the discount amount. So discount amount, how to find means we can find by this method. Now 20% of one shirt they are telling means 20%, and what is the shirt amount? Now you are taking 800 rupees shirt amount means you can write 20% of 800, 20%. So 20% of you need to put multiplication symbol 700. So 20%, how can you write? 20 by 100 into 700. Easily you can simplify this. 0 0 1 0 1 0 can make it cancel. Easily division it is. Or ma'am, I will divide 100 is 100, 700, 7 times 100 is 700. Okay, like that also you can divide. So however, see, 120 is 20, 520s are 100. That method also you can follow. Okay, both also is correct. So now remaining numbers, what is there? They can write 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. So 14 is your answer. Okay, 14. So like that only you can find your that same dress also which I told, 20% into 800 means you can find what is the discount amount is coming for that dress. If you are going with your parents to the textile shop or any shop means you yourself can find and tell, Mommy, this is my discount amount, this is the shirt discount amount. Easily you can find it by the method using this. Okay, use this method to find the discount amount. Same for girls also, same thing. Chudi, top, whatever it is, easily you can find the discount amount. Okay, solution given. They gave you 50% of 1350. So 50%, how can you write? 50 by 100 of 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 means put multiplication symbol 1350, 1350. Write that. Now you simplify this. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 1 more 0 1 more 0 is getting cancelled. So now remaining what is there? 5 into 135. 5 5s are 25. 2 remainder. 3 5s are 15. Plus 2 17. Again one reminder, 1 5 is 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 675. So 50% of 1350 equal to 675. Next fourth question. 5% of 72. 5%. Oh, can you write 5%? 5 by 100 of into 72. Okay, 72. Now, see, fifth table we can divide 100. This previous sums all 0 it was there, so easily we cancelled. This sum you see here, 1 5 is 5, 20 5s are 100, 2 5s are 10, 0. So 20 5s are 100. Okay, so remaining what is there for you? 1 into 72. 1 into 72 by 20. So 1 into 72, 72. Correct? This also you can divide by this in 2 table. 2 table or 4th table. You can divide. 4th table also we can try. See here, 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 1 4 is 4. Remainder 3. So 32. 8 4s are 32. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. So you will get the answer here 18 by 5. So 5 table 18 you can't divide. So do it in rough work side. 5 divided by 18. 3 5s are 15. 18 minus 15, 3. So in 5 table, 3, it won't come. So keep a quotient place point and add 1 0 in the remainder. Okay, in decimals lesson, division chapter, you might have studied this. So point you keep, add 0 here. Now divide. 6 5s are 30. 0. So the answer is here 3.6. The answer is 3.6. Okay. So 5% of 72. 5% of 72 equal to 3.6 is the answer. Okay. Same model, same method. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to complete and send a picture to me. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.